As long as there have been buildings, there have been fire accidents. The invention of fire sprinklers helped in restricting fire accidents and controlling the damage. Fire sprinkler systems are heat activated, one sprinkler head at a time. The sprinkler head must detect a high enough temperature. Usually, there are different temperature ranges for sprinklers, starting from 57 degrees centigrade to 260 degrees centigrade, depending on the hazards. Most sprinkler heads are equipped with a glass trigger filled with a glycerin-based liquid that expands at the appropriate temperature, breaking the glass and activating the sprinkler head. The sprinkler head is attached to a system of pipes that are hidden behind the walls or ceiling. These pipes wind through the building and outside to connect with a reliable water source. When the sprinkler head is triggered, a valve to the pipe system is opened, releasing the water that is kept under pressure from the pipes. The water is quickly pushed out of the pipes through the sprinkler head, spraying water downward or upward and out to the sides. This carefully designed spray of water extinguishes the fire below or above and prevents it from spreading. Fire sprinklers use about 6 times less water than a fire hose. They are actually less harmful to your property than a visit from the fire department.